Afrobeat pulses with life, from Nigeria's heart to speakers worldwide. Fela Kuti pioneered the sound, mixing funk, jazz, and fierce protest. His lyrics challenged power, his rhythm called for justice. Heavy percussion, layered horns, and hypnotic groove became the Afrobeat signature. Today's Afrobeat stars fuse tradition with modern flavor. Wizkid, Tiwa Savage, and Tems bring Afrobeat to pop charts. More than music, it's culture, pride, and unstoppable energy. Afrobeat unites continents with rhythm and spirit,